Welcome to NuML Studio. NuML Studio is a graphical user interface tool designed specifically for machine learning applications on Nuvoton microcontrollers. NuML Studio helps developers solve common problems when building endpoint AI, providing a clear path from real-time data collection to automatic firmware project generation. The first step is to create a new project based on your application needs. Whether it is for image, voice, or sensor data, we provide independent project spaces to keep your AI tasks organized. NuML Studio supports direct data collection from the development board. Through the NuMaker M55M1 development board, you can acquire raw data in real time, ensuring your training data perfectly matches the actual hardware environment. Next, we link to cloud resources. By simply connecting your Edge Impulse API key with NuML Studio, you can easily upload collected data and utilize powerful cloud tools for model training. On the upload page of NuML Studio, select the image folder to upload and enter the corresponding label name for the images. Then click the Execute button to upload the data to the data acquisition page of Edge Impulse. Once model training is complete, you can download the optimized model directly to your PC. This marks the critical transition from cloud-based intelligence to local hardware deployment. Now for the breakthrough. NuML Studio automatically reads the model and generates a complete Keil project. Developers can deploy AI models to the M55M1 development board without manually writing low-level code. NuML Studio makes it easy for users to evaluate M55M1 development board performance. Through this workflow, developers can significantly lower the AI entry barrier. Want to learn more about M55M1 development board AI applications? Scan the QR code or visit the Nuvoton website to contact us.